Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got Raven here, and as you can tell by the title, we are doing a installation, well, mod installation. Hopefully it's not too loud out here for you guys. We got Raven here, still the same, nothing has changed. But today we are installing a rear brake from the company. Give me a second. All right, company is, come on, focus. VF Designs. This is in this box. He hit me up on Instagram asking me if I would like to try this, and I definitely do. I post up a couple pictures of what it should look like, and also post up their Instagram so you guys can go follow them. Please go follow them. You know what? I'll wait. Yep, gonna wait right here till you go follow him. So, like I said, this is it's going to be a brake light mod. So, not only will I have my stock brake light, but I'm also going to have a custom brake light going around the rim of the tailpiece, which I think is going to be pretty dope. Because right now, it's my key. Right now, this is what we have in the rear, right? Just that light. So now, this whole little section is going to be outlined. And I think that's going to be so freaking dope, bro. Really dope. So, let's go ahead and get this package, shall we? Alright, so in the box, as you guys can see, we have our little lights, and it looks to be plug and play. Ooh, this looks like it's gonna be simple, guys. This is another reason why you should go follow them, and if you have a R1, order you some freaking, yeah, look like it's just plug and play. Look like it goes into maybe the turn signals or you know, your rear brake or whatever. So now that we open the package, now we're going to go ahead and start on the bike. I think all you gotta do is really probably take the rear seat off, and we'll look into it from there. So let's go. All right, guys, so I think what we're going to do is, so we can get more space in here, I'm going to take off this bar again, this silver bar right here, which you just got 2 bolts, and it just comes up. And then take off this as well, 2 bolts again, and it just comes out. So let's get to it. We got the front seat off, the plate to hold the battery. I told y'all we took the 2 bars off, that's right here. And then, you know, there's a black cover that sits right here. That is now off. So now we got more space, we got more wires. This is the servo motor for your exhaust. I'm probably gonna take this out because I don't even have the plugs or the wires running to it, as you can see. So we're probably just gonna take this out and leave it out. So that'll be a little like extra weight, like maybe 3 to 5 pounds. And then we're gonna get into these wires right here. All right, guys, so we got the servo motor out, and we just pull this clip back. Get these wires right here, and let you guys up. So you just pull this little back right here, and then let go of your wires if it's like that. So all this, as you can see, somebody has already been in here. I don't know, I have to figure out what that goes to. But this goes straight to your tail light. So these 2 guys are what you want to unplug. These 2 right here. And as you see, you got 4 ends on this. You got the 2 big ones, to these, and then you got your female and male connector. So you know your 2 black ones are going to go into these right here. So then we got to go back here and figure out what these do. So like I said, these have clips, so you just hold down, pull it up, hold down, pull it up, and then you plug these 2 up, figure out which ones go where, plug them up, and then I'm gonna see what's going on with this, and then that should be it. All right, guys, so we got the old wires right here. We're gonna sit those to the side. I'm not gonna cut them out or move them or anything. I'll probably wrap them up and put them back in here. We got the cables hooked up. We got this one hooked up, and this one right now, guys, I'm just gonna leave this one as it is. So somebody's already like spliced into this wire right here, but it only runs to my old light that I had that lights up right here. This is just a tail light, a tag light. So we're gonna leave it like it is. So far, with everything being plugged up, these 3 wires, everything works. There we go. So both sides work, brake light work, everything works. Press the brake, turn the signals, emergency signals, everything works. So now we're gonna go ahead and prep this area right here with some alcohol. Go ahead and get it wiped down. That way we can get the maximum stickiness out of this 3M, and then we'll be ready to go. We'll be able to mount them up and see what that final result look like. So let's get it. Alright guys, so we got everything mounted. This is what it looks like without the lights being on or whatever. I mean, you'll get a cleaner look once I put everything back together, but this is just what it looks like now. The only thing I got a feel I'm not gonna like is the wires right here being at the top. But I might be able to find something later on in the future to like hide this. But so far it was easy, like you said, plug and play. I mean, everything fits good. And you know, you can't, with the way that the R1s have this little curve right here, I do see a little gap like right in here. That could be like a like my fault or something. But you know, that little corner right there is kind of tight. But other than that, man, I actually like the way it looks. But if I turn it on for you guys, this is what it's gonna look like. Oh yeah, heck yeah, that is sexy. That is sexy. All right, so I still got to put everything back, and then that's when I give y'all the final look. But I gotta put all this stuff back together, and then once I put everything back together, we should be good, and I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. All right, she's finished. Both seats back on, everything put back together. The only thing bad, guys, I have to say is you can really see, like right here, you can see the wires a little bit sticking out, but it's not bad. And I'm gonna have to put some more tape or find something to help this stick, because it's already slightly coming off right here. But besides that, man, I like it. Let me turn it on for you guys. Heck yeah. Eggs, yeah, boy. That's dope. So I'm gonna sit the camera down and kind of show you guys like what it does when it turns on and what it does when it goes off, the turn signals and everything like that. Show you guys kind of like what all it does. And then after that, I might try to get, since it's nighttime, I might try to get like a little B-roll or try to get like a cinematic shot just showing, you know, the bike at night and see how that goes. And then, yeah. So let me show you guys the turn signals. Yeah, guys, that's it. So I'm gonna take y'all out with some B-roll of the bike. But if you guys want this for your Yamaha R1, I think it's 2015 and up, go to their Instagram page, hit that follow button, and then click the link in their bio or in my bio as well. And if you use the code Reaper1K, you get a 10% discount. Well, you get $10 off your purchase. So make sure y'all use that Reaper1K discount code. You can also use the discount code if you're looking for a chin mount. Use Reaper, and that'll also get you a discount on your chin mount or anything you need from Chin Mount's website. But yes, man, like, this is dope. I appreciate them sending me this to try. I really like it. It's really sleek looking. It's pretty dope. But like I said, go follow them. You know, if you have an R1, go ahead and get you one of these, man. Be the first ones to get them. If you like this video, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys like the way it looks and decide to get one. But that's all I got for you guys today, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Enjoy the B-roll. Peace.